Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to identify what's your total graphics memory of your, and that means total available graphics memory of your graphics card. It is very simple to check. I'm using uh, Windows 11, Windows 11 as OS, and also my graphics card is Codro RTX 5000. So to check that, simply click on your desktop. I'm using Windows 11. Okay, click on desktop, then select show more options, then select NVIDIA control panel. You must install latest NVIDIA driver for checking these informations. Okay, click on that, then you will get this window, and you can see here left bottom side there is an option of system information. Click on that. Okay, and after clicking you can get this box, and here you can easily identify what is your total available graphics memory. So it is around 32,580 MB. That means around 32 GB. So you can simply see here what is my uh, total available graphics memory. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so I can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.